track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass him be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens. Lean, mean, money making machines, serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon, now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like a Rob Liberace. It's all good from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city making pay. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight putting it down for California, yeah.
My wallet, yo, stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolio's taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Holy macaroni. Who are all these new people, man? I ain't used to this. I ain't used to this at all, man. What's going on? Otter gang, gang, gang. What's going on? We got a whole bunch of people in here. Welcome to all the new people. Shout out to the Otter gang. Alexo Crypto here. We gonna get into this chat. My God. I don't even know what to say right now. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. We got a lot of people in here. Much love to you guys. How's it going, man? We just were on Trading Wars, and you know what? We feel a little bit hurt. You know what I mean? We were in the bottom two. We thought we were in the top, and all of a sudden we just realized, that, this 2% hit that we took on Trading Wars. Even I think CryptoFace was on my side too. He was in the chat. However, on Thursday, I have to go against, the Master versus the Padawan. We'll be facing off against CryptoFace on Thursday afternoon on Trading Wars. But we did our best. We were up. We were doing all right. But we saw the shout out this morning. Now we've doubled in subscribers, okay? So, an introductory, okay? A little bit of an introductory. First of all, we like otters here, okay? We throw otters in the chat everywhere we go. It's an otter thing. I'm going to throw some in there. You can throw some in there with me, okay? You get the memberships like Alexandra G. What's going on? One of our best modder otters, as we like to call them, has definitely come through and blessed you all with some memberships. Thank you so much, Alexandra G. We love you here. Now, we've grown quite dramatically over, but I'm not going to change anything about it. Now, this is one thing you'll find is that Alex O'Crypto, he stays true to his friends. Honesty and kindness is the best policy, and we're traders helping traders. We're a profitable trader helping you become a better trader, and we give everything away for free. We have a free Discord. We're always here. We show up for you guys Monday to Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Join us in the free Discord. We are a little bit crazy on Fridays, so it's good that you guys didn't all just get here on Fridays because we bust out like the Arnold Schwarzenegger soundboard. We totally degen. And we have a lot of fun. However, we do give levels, we do give trade setups, we give trade ideas, and it's all for free, right? It's all for free. We have an amazing community here. Now, whenever we had a live stream and we had a whole bunch of new people, we would say, just come into the Discord and just don't be a douche, okay? Don't be a douche, don't be whatever you want to call it. Just be kind and be generous and be honest and be transparent. Because if you can't give yourself an honest appraisal in trading, and you can't be disciplined, and you can't manage your own risk, you're going to get wrecked, man. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Now, we're a community of like-minded people. We are all traders helping each other become profitable and trying to grow to the next level. I just got put on by CryptoFace. Okay, this has been, I've been trading for over just about 2 years now. We've turned profitable in the last 5 months. We've gone full time. Okay, we've gone full time. We've replaced our income. We're doing it. Okay, we're doing it. So I ain't here to sell you anything. I ain't here to promote anything. I'm just here to help. Okay, I'm just here to help. I can see so many of you beautiful faces. We have such a great community. Nick Musgrave, love to the Otter Gang. You got this, bro. LFG says Nick Musgrave. Now Nick Musgrave's our otter in the southern hemisphere. He monitors while I'm sleeping. So don't mess with Nick Musgrave. Okay. Okay, but we're gonna shout out some people here. Welcome to Wick 598. Welcome to you. Much love to you, Moon Boot Boy. We always see you. Lunar Beaches Crypto, Crypto Billy, Mark Dutch, Jonathan Schaefer, real homies. What's going on, guys? Carbon Guy, welcome, Carbon Guy. George, dude, I've been here for 2 minutes and I love the vibes. Much love to you. Welcome, Steve H, man. Steve H Brewberry. Always putting us up, man. Us otters are pretty damn happy for you, man. God bless you, man. Darren does things in the chat. Maybe Band-Aid. Crypto Billy, my man, you too? Billy's the modern otter, man. Billy's been around forever, man. He's put me on so much. We love Billy here. Lads Joker, welcome. Gifted membership. Duffy Newman Ace is in here, gifted a membership. Savage Trades. What's going on? We like some Savage Trades. Psychedelic Astronaut. I like that. Moon Boy. That's great, man. Welcome to all you guys. Welcome to the Otter Gang. Welcome to the vibes. It's a vibe here. We have a good time every single day. And like I said, we always like to have fun. Trading can be a very serious venture. However, you gotta have a little bit of fun. And we got Mr. Pow Pow here, Jerome Powell, coming at us here. You guys. So I want to see some ones in the chat. Are you guys going to wear these things, man? Are you guys going to have like 4 trading screens, be walking downtown? Just like, I see all this pinching, man. Like people are just pinching. It looks like people are like crabs, man. It's going to, if you wear red and you're downtown with these goggles on and you start pinching things, it's going to be, I don't know, man. I don't know. You're going to get hit by a car or something while doing some crab. Like this market has been doing the crab. You know what I mean? It's pretty funny. Bull Run Ignited. Let's go, Jerome Pow Pow. Let's go, Jerome Pow Pow. I see you guys in the chat. Eubanks, what's going on? Is Alex in the CIA? Look at all that hard equipment behind him. Yeah, you better watch out, man. We got some gifts here. So thank you so much for being here. Much love to every single one of you. Now, a little bit thing on the Discord. Little bit thing up here on the Discord. Trade setups given in advance. Okay, we got Otter TA over here on the left-hand side, okay? On the left-hand side. This is where we share, our trade ideas. Now, these aren't setups. It's not like just go and press buy, go and press sell. We got Kyle here. We got Lunar Breaches Crypto. Go check him out. He's a big friend of the Otter Gang. We got Brewberry here. And we got mine, right? We got mine. So I give my ideas, and I came through this morning. I saw all you guys coming in, so I thought, let's go to town on Market Cipher, and we gave you the setup from up here, up at the top here with the price, okay? So we gave you the setup for the short this morning. If you got in, congratulations. If you didn't, well, there's going to be more trades, guys. There's going to be more trades. So much love to every single one of you guys. If you took that trade or not, it doesn't matter. We got more coming, right? We also said ETH bearish divergence coming down. Money flow is high, but you can see definite bear div here looking to come to the downside, and that played out quite nicely too. It lost that support and it fell down. So we got lots of great traders in here. It's not just myself. So this is what we've built the community on. We got people like Darren does things. We got people like beautiful Mark Dutch with his beautiful clogs. If you know, he's Dutch, the wooden shoes. We got people asking questions, ideas. We all, as a community, work together. We got Jonathan Schaefer helping out. We got Sniper's Nightmare looking at trades, right? We got all these people. So as a community, together, guys, we can all be profitable, right? We can all be profitable. We can all help each other. We can all help each other grow. And together, we can conquer this bull run, right? That's what it's all about here at Alexo Crypto. So I'm very grateful for you guys. And we're going to do a giveaway today, okay? We're going to do a giveaway today. And I've never done a giveaway, okay? I've never, because I give away everything for free. But first, we got to look at this guy, okay? Our new friend of the channel, Trader Geo, Madonna. This guy, I've been watching some of his videos, doing my research. I wouldn't bring you guys anybody. And he got put on by Market Cypher as well, okay? He got put on by Market Cypher as well. This guy, man, has some interesting ideas, man. With the vector candles, man, I'm interested to see if I can apply some of your strategies to this, okay? Because this guy's got some good trading ideas, man. I love it. I love your energy. And guess what, guys? Guess what? He's my neighbor. He's Canadian, and he is my neighbor. So shout out to you, Trader Geo. Much love. I see you growing, man. You almost have 5K. So everybody in the Otter gang, if you don't mind going over and giving Trader Geo a good old sub, because you know what? He's part of the Market Cypher family as well. Now, the only thing that has changed is that I have this beautiful logo here, okay? I got a beautiful logo here, and I wasn't even asked to put this on, okay? I wasn't even asked to put this on. And I wouldn't show you guys anything that I don't use. And you guys who have been here know that I've used Market Cypher, and I give you guys the beautiful money flow all the time. If you can't afford it, I understand. So we give it away for free, man. We give it away for free. If you're looking at, whatever, Fu Manchu or things like that, I'll help you, right? Because I know not everybody can afford it. However, we want to help everybody, right? We want to help everybody. And we know this Market Cypher thing is pretty much the king of indicators, right? We know that. We know that, right? We know that. But we got to know how to use it. We got to know how to implement it. We got to understand time frames. We got to understand what trumps what. What is the I think I saw Geo break it down as the bed mass. The bed mass, brackets. What's after bed mass? Am I putting you to sleep already? So, I've added the trader's reality main thing. I don't use this to trade right now, okay? I would never tell you something I don't use, okay? So I'm going to check out some of your strategies, bro, and I'm going to try and implement them. However, we do have a range here. I'm in TO. Yes, I'm in TO. I'm born downtown Toronto. Okay, I'm a Toronto boy. Much love to you. Welcome, Bullish on Parade. Much love to you. Joe Smedkal. Schmeckel. I'm going to go with Joe Schmeckel, says Market Cypher rules, and that's it. It's the king of indicators. We all use it here at the Otter Gang facility, okay? We all dunking on people with this. So we had some good signals this morning of price coming up where we were looking for shorts. And I'm a support and resistance guy, VWAP guy, volume guy, kind of Fibonacci machine, money-making machine, right? We all here to make money, right? And the levels were respected. So I'm very grateful for every single one of you guys. We're going to give away 50 USDT, okay? This is the first time I've ever done this, okay? Okay, so I'm new to this, okay? I went to the YouTube comment picker, okay? Now here's the video. I'm new to this, okay? I'm not good at shilling, okay? I'm not here to sell you anything. Okay? Here's the video. And I'm going to go over here. I'm going to share the video. Here's the video, and I'm going to pin it to the comments, okay? I'm going to pin it to the comments. And you just have to like and put an otter. Put an otter in the comments, okay? So we're gonna give it away. We got 1,000 subscribers. We're finally fully monetized. We got to give it back, right? We got to give it back, and that's what I've learned. And if you're not familiar who Crypto Billy is, Giver's Game Mentality, okay? We give it away every single day, and we show up for you guys. And that's at Tuesdays at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're not following Billy, I don't know what you're doing, man. One of the biggest givers in this whole industry, okay? One of the biggest givers in this whole industry. So, how to use Market Cipher B trigger waves, okay? You should watch this. It's kind of a different take on trigger waves because, you know, you have the anchor and the trigger wave and that kind of stuff. But we this community, we look at them a little bit different. So we'll be rolling this. We'll be rolling this at the end. So guys, go over to that video. I don't know if you guys are good. You got I will match your 50 USDT, says Trader Geo. Winner gets 100. My God. Trader Geo giving it up, man. Much love to you. So I'm popping my giveaway cherry, guys. Trader Geo told me to start giving away some free shit. So we're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're doing good today. We're doing good. So God bless you, Trader Geo. Much love to you, brother. Much love to you, man. Much love. I love it, man. Giver's Game Mentality. Giver's Game Mentality. So we'll go through Bitcoin like we always do. You guys can drop some alts in the chat, okay? And we can definitely look at all the altcoins and all that kind of stuff. And we'll get it. We'll get it, right? We'll continue to get it. So we're going to start very, very simply, like we always do at that weekly candle, okay? And we'll go over Market Cipher B, but we always like on Mondays, we like to take a look at that weekly candle and say, hey, candle, what do you think, man? What do you think? And the candle looks like it's a bit exhausted, man. It's a bit exhausted, right? So we got the weekly candle here looking a bit exhausted, saying, hey, man, we tried to push, man. But, you know, there's all this damn liquidity down here that I want to eat up, man. Because all these people in their longs thinking they're gravy, okay? They think they're gravy. But are they gravy? Are they gravy? I think they want to come and eat these guys down here. So we're aware of that, looking at that weekly candle. Now we go over to Market Cipher B, and we can see that we did get the momentum wave to the upside. Money flow is thick in the green. We do have the VWAP here challenging the zero line. So that is like, okay, a little bit of a pushback. That's okay. That's okay. Like if we do get something like this and that continuation, then come on, we're going down. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Right? We're going down. And I know you guys want cheaper prices. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. You guys don't want that $100 Solana. You want that $50 Solana. Right? Right? You guys ready to fill up those bags? You got limit orders set? Are you guys prepared? Well, we'll help you prepare, right? We'll help you prepare. So, going through this, we go to the 3-day. We can see that we did get this beautiful little trigger to the upside. Yeah. This looks bullish, but we had the VWAP crossover, all that good stuff, and we didn't really get too much of a reaction, okay? If you're trading the green dot, you're late to the party, man. You're late to the party. You get the momentum wave, the dip of the toes, as we call it here, and then that curve back down. So this could easily just roll over from here. So we're keeping an eye on this 3-day. However, initially it was looking pretty bullish, okay? Initially, it was looking pretty bullish. We do have the momentum wave here on the 2-day, but look at this VWAP, man. I always think of the VWAP as a rope, okay? Yes, money flow is king. Money flow is king, okay? However, look at the VWAP. This acts like a rope. So if I'm pulling down on a rope, right? Momentum, pulling down on a rope, we could curl over, right? So we wait for that confirmation of a red dot and all that kind of stuff. So we can front run as we flip through certain time frames and get some sort of thesis of which way we think the direction is going to go. And by doing that, we can be profitable by having an overall picture, but also being able to break it down to the smaller term time frame so that we can have better entries. Now, I don't know if CryptoFace said or anything, but I'm an intraday trader. So I'm in and out within the day, 1 to 3 trades maximum, and I'm done, okay? And from that, that's just the way I've learned to trade. That's the way that appeals to my trading style. Now, develop your own style. Are you a swing trader? Or are you a scalper, right? Are you, you hold it for 3 days, or are you holding it for 2 weeks, right? Depending on your risk management. For me, I like to sleep at night. I'm in and out, quick, pay myself. And if anything, I let the trade run if it looks like it has more momentum to the downside. I take my profits and I pay myself, okay? So we're always looking to do that. Jonathan Schaefer, member for 1 month. Otter Gang Muscle. Much love to you, Jonathan Schaefer. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here. Much love to you, brother. If you didn't know, Jonathan Schaefer is the Modder Otter Sheriff. So you want to be on someone's good side, it's Jonathan Schaefer. Otherwise, he'll give you the boot. Okay? So we're definitely keeping an eye on that. Now we can see we get this daily, right? And we know that CF I'm pretty sure he's still in that short. And you did have a wick to the upside, and you do have this is the tall tale here. We got the daily momentum to the downside. You got the money flow coming out. This looks great, right? This looks great. Looks hella bearish to me, right? And this momentum wave has confirmed that red dot, right? So for me, Crypto Billy, 20,000 subscribers soon. Much love. Giver's gain, man. Giver's gain. God bless you. Crypto Billy, man. Can't believe it's been a month since, literally, we just started pushing to be consistent and making videos 4 months ago, and we've just catapulted, right? We've taken this seriously. We show up every single day, and it shows that it's paying off, man. Can't believe it's been a month since we've had members, man. God bless you, Billy, man. I love you, bro. So we can see the VWAPs trickling out. We have this bullish momentum to the downside, money flow coming out. What does this mean? Do we just short it? Absolutely not. We prepare for absolutely everything. So let's go into the 12-hour and take a look. So go to the 12-hour. This is where I like to pull some volume and get an idea of where we're at. So we're stuck in the middle of the range, really. We're really stuck in the middle of the range. And I said if this POC holds point of control with the volume here, that we could be looking for a continuation up to this level that everybody's looking at, okay? Everybody and their brother and sister and their grandfather who doesn't even look at charts knows about this level, okay? They know about this level. So we got an area of interest. So I always pull up these areas of interest, and I have this box is where everybody's looking for the short. So you can see we had the move down here. And now you want to see something like this, right? Or you want to see that ABC correction to the upside here, right? So you want to see the liquidity grab down here, and you want to see this come back up for these guys. Now we do have a fib coming up at this level and a naked point of control. Okay, so we are prepared for any which level. And when I give my trade setups, when I give my trade ideas, I always give you an area. Okay, I always give you an area of where I'm looking for the trade and where I'm looking for a reaction on that trade, right? So this is a pretty big effing area, right? Where a lot of price can come to. So we wait for a reaction on price on the longer term time frames. We know that there's a golden pocket here. We know that there's liquidity here from before. And typically, the money, it wants to come and grab these guys before heading down, right? Typically. But we left a lot of liquidity down below. This was a pretty aggressive move up, right? So this, to me, implies that we should be looking to roll over here and come back down to grab these guys. And maybe the option is we get a bounce, or the option is that we come back down to these lower levels where we are looking for liquidity to come down and grab these guys. Come on, everybody in their brother and sister is bullish right now, okay? To me, that says that we need to feel more pain before anybody is going to be making more profits, okay? Before anybody's going to be making more profits. GoldenEye asked, did you already take your trades for the day? Yes, we did. We gave the trade setups in advance this morning, and we took the short from the top of the range this morning. So that was good. And I don't mind sharing my trades. I don't mind showing you my trades. I'm very transparent. Always will be. I share my losses. I share my trade setups. I typically put 2 to 4 Bitcoin on each trade, and I try to make at least 600 a day, okay? That's what keeps the doctor away, in my opinion, and then I can ramp up and ramp down depending on my strategy and how it's performing for me, right? If I'm losing, I can lower my margin, lower my leverage, and get my confidence back. If I'm winning everything, then I'm going to crank it up and take advantage of that, right? So there's always good days and there's bad days. The best loser wins, right? If you haven't read that book, Best Loser Wins, I highly suggest it, because you got to be able to take the losses and use the discipline and practice good risk management in order to ensure that beautiful, beautiful, profitable trading strategy, okay? So yes, we've taken our trade today. So looking at the 12, we get so for me, this has been a disgusting range. Okay, very, very gross. Last week was very manipulated. Okay, so we had a lot of chop. Okay, a lot of news events, a lot of things just scam wicking us all out. But this is your typical flag, but I'm not a flag guy. So we're looking for levels and we're looking for confluence, right? So we have our areas of interest. We see that market cipher is rolling out here. We see the money flow coming out as well, and we have a big bearish engulfing candle, right? So we're looking for that to post says, curious as to whether you've tweaked your market cipher settings at all. You want my settings? Inputs. I've made these at 54. 54 is my number. I don't know is that tweaked? I don't think that's tweaked. 54. I've made them a bit higher, okay? Because I want that deep wave, okay? It doesn't really matter. It's just how you read it, right? How you interpret the market cipher B is up to you. I mean, my waves are different. My money flow is different. I really like the VWAP being a line. Okay, that to me I've always had. Because when it's yellow, it kind of takes away from the money flow, and the money flow is king, right? Money flow is king. So I've only changed the VWAP really, in my opinion. That's about it. Okay, so we'll continue on our way. Going to the 4 hour, we'll pull up our areas of our levels here. Now, I always share my levels where we look for a reaction on price. This is facts, okay? So these are key levels from fibs. These are key levels from volume. These are key levels of support and resistance, all in confluence. And I use these levels myself. I will give you levels of areas of interest where I'm looking to trade, right? Clearly today, we were looking at this area, right? So we came up today, we had that pump, and for me, it was pretty obvious that we gave the long setup down here the other day. Now, if you don't believe me, I mean, I can go over and show you guys, which I love to do. Unusual join activity, guys. Behave yourselves, okay? We can go over here and we can show you the long setup we gave the other day, and that was right here, okay? So there's the long setup. Okay, that was given. Banging, 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 okay? Right? This was before it happened, okay? Before it happened. You had lots of time for this trade. Okay, so we gave this long setup from here, and then we gave the short setup from here. Now, this short setup, the entry was hard, okay? This wasn't an easy entry. This was a much easier entry, okay? But we, overnight while we slept, it crept up here, and you know, like for me as a trader, I know in the morning, a Monday morning, if they're going to kind of do this kind of pump here, it's the fake out, man. Like it's just from watching the markets for so long, you know, it's just like, come on, man. You're not pushing past here, right? You're not pushing past here. And that's just a time thing. I've been looking at the charts for so long that, you know, especially a steady momentum like this. So for us here, we draw momentum wave to the upside like this, okay? And until this is broken, some of us are confirmation traders where they look to short here, right? For me, I'm looking at key levels and I'm looking for exhaustion. We got that exhaustion. I enter typically on the 8 minute, to the 3 minute, depending on the market, okay? So it was the 3 minute this morning where we were looking for price to come up here, touch. It didn't touch, but then we saw the lower low, the break of structure, which was here. So you want to be watching for the break of structure as well. Right? And then you get the next high and you follow that down, okay? And you take your short from there. Okay, there's many ways to trade this, and I'll be able to share anything with you guys as you guys wish on how I trade and how I get into trades. So going back to market cipher, what can we see and what can we predict for the upcoming future? So we're talking about price rolling over, looking for more downside, coming to grab liquidity. Now, where's our key zone? If you're just looking at this objectively, right, you can see money flow coming out here. Where am I looking? I'm looking for price to come to this area here, okay? Just simply looking at market structure. I see this. I want to see this before I see any of this, okay? I see liquidity down here. I see that we didn't have no double bottom here in order to wreck these guys before heading up. So I know that people are definitely holding 8 minutes because 5 plus 3 candle closes, or just because screw 7 and 9. Okay, so I used to use 7, but I use 8 now. Not only is it my favorite number, but 8 is a Fibonacci number, okay? Fibonacci isn't... We love our Fibonacci numbers here. So we used to use the 7. I like the 8. The 8 gives some nice divergences. I won't lie, like the 8 to 24. I think Jason Casper is a big fan of the 12-minute divergences. They're pretty good too. Where we're getting, lower lows, higher lows. So you can say this is a divergence right now, right? Where you're looking for this to bounce back. However, you have such bearish momentum that I wouldn't really advise with taking a long right now, okay? We want to see some different market structure put in before we look for this to continue up. Dave Digital says, if you're new here, say ho or hi. Say hello if you're new here. Much love to every single one of you guys, man. Thank you guys so much for being here. We got 108 viewers in here, guys. Smash those likes. If you're enjoying the content, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting this channel. I mean, we're fresh and we're new, and CryptoFace put us on, man. I mean, we were on Trading Wars and trying to kick some ass, show you guys what we're made out of, and it seems to have paid off. And also, I think it's a lot to do with the mentality of this group. It goes out to the community, because the community is number one. We put some otters in the chat for the community. You're part of the Otter gang now, guys. You've signed up for the craziness. We have a lot of fun. We go over all the levels. We share the levels. We give everything away for free. But it's about the community, guys. It's about the community. Welcome DV. Welcome BK. Welcome Bird Next Door. Grateful Dabs. Trash Panda. John Besser. Blockchain Gaming. Fabio Almeida. What's going on? Great life. Hope you're doing well, man. Stragahart. I know you're Otter gang, man. Great life. Nice to meet you guys, man. Hot All Crypto. Let's go, guys. Welcome to the Otter gang. Gang. Now we do get a little bit crazy here, so I'm just warning you. Let's see those otters in the chat. Let's go. Let's go, man. Much love to you guys. And don't forget to share your alts, and we'll look at some altcoins for you guys. And hopefully we'll be able to give you guys some good information on those as well. B-Team Crypto gifted 1 membership, man. Randy Hipper was given a membership. Welcome, Randy. Guys, man, Miss Team Crypto, Randy Hipper's in the chat. Much love to you, Randy. Hope you're having a great day. Crypto Billy says, check your DMs in the Discord. Is it stream appropriate? Oh, man, you guys are crazy, man. You guys are crazy. We'll go Algo. Yeah, guys, shout out to some of your alts, man. We'll go to Algo. We got levels on Algo. I see Link in there. Can't find Discord link anywhere. Here you go. Discord link coming. We'll have to go and check it out, Billy. What are you saying, Billy? Billy Goat Tails, man. Dude, I'm talking to Lifer about coming on your channel to do a collab with you right now in the back channels. My guy, we're going to hang out with Lifer, man. God bless you, Billy, man. Jeez. Oh, my God. Crypto Lifer, man. I'm going to have to get some lemons. Giver's gain, man. Giver's gain. This is crazy, man. This is all because of the Otter gang and all because of the community, man. This is it. That is it. We're going to give it away today. So the giveaway, just in case you're just coming in, I want to give the Otter gang an opportunity here and the new people. So we have a link pinned in the chat. I'll put the link in again. We're going to give away 50 USDT, and then Trader Geo said he's going to match it. Here's the link. Okay, but Trader Geo, we just got put on Market Safe for both of us. CryptoFace reached out to us and put us on. I feel blessed. I'm too blessed to be stressed. go check out Trader Geo. His new family. He lives down the road from me. God bless you, Trader Geo. We're going to give away $50 today. US dollars. That's a lot of Canadian, guys. That's a lot of Canadian dollars, okay? We got to make it worth your while. Go over to that video, comment an otter, and we'll do the spinny thing. I'm new to this, guys, so don't hate if I mess up a couple times. If your name pops up, you're going to win, okay? I think I got it all set up properly, okay? And then we're going to roll. Duration, we'll set it to 30 seconds, so there's some, oh, man, there better be lots of comments, guys. I want to see lots of otters, man. We'll figure it out, as we always do, man, because we show up, we work hard, and we'll get you guys the goods, okay? Okay, I see Gala. Oh, I'm going to pin that. Oh, I don't want to replace it. Gala is Matic Ordi Link. Matic Ordi Link. Okay. So we always go over Bitcoin here, and then we do some alts at the end. It's an hour-long show. So do you guys get the gist of Bitcoin right now? Are you okay? We're being patient here. We're bouncing off some support, right? We're stuck in this range. We want to see some movement to one way or the other, right? We're anticipating right now. If you're looking at Bitcoin, this is a sandwich, okay? You got some beautiful buns here. I know you guys love some buns, okay? You're in the salami. You don't want to trade the salami, okay? You want to wait for the buns. You want to get that fresh, beautiful sourdough bread on the outside where you get that beautiful, beautiful opportunity where you get the swing failure pattern, that bullish divergence on the market cipher B to the upside. You're laughing like a clown with a bag full of money, man, okay? That's how we all doing it here, okay? Galamatic, Ordi Link, ICP, and TET. King TET. But the story of the day today was the dollar, okay? The dollar, guys, the Chinese dollar, the Chinese people do not look too well, and I think we did get a big pump because of that. This isn't a news channel. We do cover some news every now and then, but we can see the dollar pushes up, and this was happening as Bitcoin was peaking today, okay? So if we go over to the Bitcoin, we can see over here, as we were rising up here on Bitcoin, the dollar, I always trade in Confluence, right? The dollar is flying up, okay? So we're putting in new highs with the dollar. Typically, it's an inverse correlation, right? Typically, right? It's not always bang on, but if dollar pumps, Bitcoin dumps, right? Inverse, right? So this can give us a little intro to what's actually going to happen with the markets, right? And if you go over to the SPY, you can simply see that we did cool off, even though we're on some parabolic upwards trend right now. We did cool off a little bit for a Monday, okay? So you got to use all your tools at your disposal where we can look to be profitable. Magic, not Matic. You're magic, man. Tau, 108 people watching. Pump those likes, fam. Let's go. Let's go. Smash that like button, guys. Flat smack that like button. Boom, boom, boom. Much love, much love. Okay, so your areas of or your key levels that we are watching right now are going to be as such. We'll give you guys these key levels, and then we can look for a reaction on price. So I always share these guys with you guys in the morning where we're looking for that reaction. I always say round them up to a more psychological number, 4,200, right? And these are areas, okay? So you want to be using these areas in confluence with your market cipher, in confluence with your Fibonacci, where you're looking for a reaction of price, okay? So by adding these levels, you can be prepared for when price comes, you look for that reaction, right? You know you're going to have a reaction because of the volume there, or the Fibonacci that's there, right? Of how the price will react. And by going through these levels and adding them to your charts, by doing this, you can add that to your confluence, okay? So like this morning, beautiful, beautiful retest. This one, the other day, we knew this was a level of reaction. We had a naked point of control down here. We had a whole bunch of things going our way just to build that confluence, okay? And then you add market cipher B into the mix of it, and you can really maximize your potential of making those profits and catching those moves, okay? So I will always share my levels with you guys, and on the fly, like every morning I'm coming in and sharing my levels and my ideas with you guys. and giving you areas of interest of where we're looking for price to have a reaction. And by doing that, I hope that you guys can do your own due diligence, use your own trading strategies, and build that confidence and build those setups for yourselves, right? So welcome everybody who's new. Much love to every single one of you guys. Let's go into your alts. First up, we got Algo. Algorand, man. Okay, so Algo, we can see that we have come down and we've put in new support here. We do have support down below us here. We do have some sort of head and shoulders here on Algo. Okay, we did have a falling downtrend. We do have a key level of resistance that we are aware of. Okay, and Crypto Pollo, if I'm not wrong, we were looking to get up to this 18-cent area. However, we have been quite suppressed. Okay, so we can see that we do have some sort of falling downtrend here, but we want to be aware of where we're looking for a reaction of price. So I'm going to pull some fibs here. Let's see if we can find, okay, 786 bounce. Okay, so we are putting in support here. Let's pull this up a little bit where we can look for confluence. Now, on Market Cipher, on the daily, what do we see? Okay, I always ask you guys, what do we see? We see an inverse head and shoulders, okay? This plays out quite often, but you can see we had this big move up and this big move down, and you can see money flow has indicated that. So we want to see money flow come back into the market. And right now, this to me says we're bear flagging, and we're probably coming back down to these levels. Now we can pull volume throughout here, and we can have an idea of where we're looking for a reaction. Now, for me, guys, I always look at volume as shelves. So I'll pull in my areas like this and like this, where I'm looking for a reaction on price. Now, we know we're above this, but this gives me an area of where I can go back to price where it's currently trading and look for reactions on price there. So if we do fall and lose this level, we can be looking to find support at these levels, or at least some sort of bounce, right? So we add these levels. I'll share them with you. If we lose out, we're probably heading right back down to here. So we add these levels. We're looking for a bounce. So we'll go into the 12-hour. What do we got? We see we got some momentum here coming to the upside. It's some money flow. So we're looking for the crossover on Market Cipher B, and we're looking for the VWAP to get to the zero line. Right now, it's still baking, in my opinion. So we still need to wait for that confirmation green dot, or at least it printing before it's printed, to see if we got some confirmation to the upside and if we can get a bounce here. It seems like we are starting to put in higher lows, which is a good sign. Okay, so you can see we got higher lows coming to the upside. So you could draw a trend line, something like this, looking to find support here. However, we know there's tons of bearish momentum, right? So we're definitely keeping an eye on that to bounce from here, right? To bounce from here. Dave Digital says, "You nervous, handsome boy? Did we have a party yet? Did I miss it? I was on Around the Blockchain. Army Piper, what's going on, my man? What's going on? Are we going to? I think we got a party. We're doing a giveaway today. But we got a party. I guess we got a party.
Power to undermine everything they're doing to people around the world. I'm sorry for shouting.
There was my answer to Dave Digital. Are you nervous, Alex O'Crypto? Of course I'm nervous, man. But we push through the fear, man. We push through the fear. We know we do a good job. We know we work hard for you guys. Look at all the otters. Look at all the chat, man. I got the chat right here, man. We with you on this, man. We always with this. So with Algo, we look for this to hold support, continuation to the upside. You can see you got bullish momentum coming up. You really want to see this push back, okay? And for me right now, Algo's not looking too good. You can definitely look for support to hold here, some sort of swing failure pattern to the downside where you're getting a lower low and a higher high. You can look for something like that. And I wouldn't be looking for anything, other than like, I'd probably go 24-minute to 12-minute looking for some sort of bull divs to the upside. But right now, you're not getting that beautiful bull divs, and you're really just consolidating sideways, right? So Algo's looking quite suppressed, and we're definitely want to see it reclaim this 17-cent area. But right now, we're looking at this 15-cent area or 14-cent area. If we fall back in here, we do know we have support through here, so we could chop sideways until we get that move led by Bitcoin, right? we know that Bitcoin's going to lead. And right now, Bitcoin is leading us to the downside, okay? So we want to see that all change. Now, one thing that isn't going to the downside, oh, look at that transition, baby, is Link. Oh, you got to laugh at yourself, man. If you're not laughing at yourself, you're not having a good time, man. So we gave the levels on Link this morning. We said coming up to a key level of resistance. Now, I didn't say short this. I said we're coming up to a key level of resistance. If Link gets above here, we can definitely look for Link to trade between $23 and $19.50, okay? So we're looking for Link to get up here. However, it does look like a little bit of a rejection on Link. So for now, let's wait and see. Typically with moves, when they move up like this, we typically look for them to retest the highs, okay? So come back, retest the highs, then continue their way upwards. So for me, I encourage patience, and I encourage us to wait. Look at the momentum wave getting deep above here, looking to eventually come down. But right now, momentum wave is pushing. Money flows coming back in, okay? So very bullish move for Link, okay? Very bullish move for Link. However, coming up to key level resistance, getting a little bit of a rejection, probably coming back down to reality to retest this 17.5 area, okay? So we know that this level here is going to be the entry into higher prices. It's tapped on the door. We gave that in advance, but we do know that this area here at 17.5 is going to be our main support if we are to continue upwards. If we lose 17.5, we look to come back down and trade within here, right? And Link builds shelves, okay? I'm a former carpenter, and I appreciate a good shelf with some nice mortise and tenon joints. And you can see in the bear market, Link builds shelves. Big shelf, okay? Link has moved up, massive aggressive move, okay? When Link moves, it moves, okay? So Link has gotten that move. However, we want to see that sustained move to the upside, okay? So looking at Link, right now you can see it's gotten that move out, breaking out of this structure, right? We want to see that continuation here. And if it continues to flag and it stays above 17.5, bullish, okay? If it doesn't, we come back into this range and we range again, okay? So Link's a great coin to trade, especially because of how well it respects the highs and the lows of the range, right? If you just long and short with some good risk management, you're typically in good shape with Link, okay? Tony Soprano says, congrats, Alex O. Crypto, X2, all the new subs and your success. How about some Protect Your Neck? Shout out to the Otter Gang. We can play some Protect Your Neck. You best protect. You guys like Wu-Tang? All you new guys. Are you guys Wu-Tang friends? Are you guys Wu-Tang? Oh, man. Now, I do believe we had a poll. Where's my poll? You guys are crazy. I love it. I love it, man. I love it. So we could play some Wu-Tang. Let me know if you're a Wu-Tang fan down below in the chat. But we could play some Wu-Tang. If Link breaks the resistance level, $25 Link, $25 Link in play. That's the one Piper. Did you have the... I bet you Army Piper had 19.5 marked out on his charts. I bet you he did. So, Wu forever. I hate Wu-Tang, says Dave Digital. Uh-oh. So we go... We're going to Matic or Magic. We'll go back to Matic or Magic. Let me know in the chat. Going over here to Ordi. Taking a look at Ordi. Ordi is good to trade. It has good volume. And if you don't know, you're going to know now. So if you go over to Crypto Heat Map, okay, and if you don't know how to get to the Crypto Heat Map, on the app, on your desktop, if you go over here, you can see Heat Maps right here. Okay, Heat Maps. New tab, Heat Maps, go to Crypto. You go over to Crypto. And over on the top left here, you got Performance. You can go to Volatility. I like this. This is what I use when I go onto Trading Wars. You can go to Volatility, guys. Volatility. Pull up the Volatility chart. Will look like this. You can turn on and off the percentages. I crank this thing up to see what's moving. Avalanche is moving. Chainlink's moving. Polkadot's moving. And the bigger they are, obviously, the bigger the market cap, right? And by doing that, look, you can look at SUI, 15% move on SUI. So SUI is moving, right? ICP, Chainlink. And by doing that, you can give yourself a little bit of an edge when it comes to price movement. Okay, that's very good. Ordi's typically up there quite often. So look at Ordi coming back. We had some key levels on Ordi, and look, respected perfectly. So the levels do some do. I just said do, guys. The levels do something. Nonetheless, so you can see there is a point of control here, which the levels have definitely bounced off of, and you do have one here. So this is my level where we're gonna need to get above. Okay, and for me right now, looking at Ordi, very similar story to Algo. Okay, so you can look at this downtrend here, where you're looking to break out, chop sideways, and continue your way out, and possibly flip it and bounce upwards. Right now the money flow is coming out, right? Mostly on these daily term time frames, right? You look at Bitcoin on the daily, you can see the money flow is coming out, right? So that's a very tall tale of what's happening with the alts, especially if Bitcoin's bleeding. You know the alts are bleeding as well against Bitcoin. So you can see money's coming out, right? We want to see it push back, hold the support, and flip to the upside. If you do fall down, if we do get a big push down from Bitcoin, you're coming back down to $25 Ordi, right? And what an opportunity. If you have the good mindset and you check yourself before you wreck yourself, you can note where's the liquidity. You can see the bottom of the range is probably down here. So you could be looking at a $45 Ordi first, but right now Ordi is looking like it wants to curl over, falling down, very bearish momentum to the downside, looking to come down over the next couple of days. Okay, so look at Bitcoin to lead the way. Bitcoin's rolling over right now as we speak. So we look for Ordi to try and catch up in the near term. Going over the chat here, what's going on? Anthony Barbasulis, welcome. Justin Eubanks, what's going on? Perpendicular to the square, says Little Hero. What's going on, Little Hero? I hope you're having a great day. Tradefly puts a poop emoji. Don't spell I cup, says ICUP, Jonathan Schaefer. What's going on? Alexandra G says 10 more. Bots win. St. Michael, ETH, please. Okay, we'll go over to ETH. I don't know if it was Matic or Magic, but we're going to go over to Ethereum. But with Ordi, you look for this key level right here to hold as support. This is your dying wish is $51, and if you're falling down, you're coming back within this range here. You can pull this range, probably get an NPOC out of the... Yeah, so you're bouncing off the point of control here. If you lose the point of control, you're coming down to the $45 mark, okay? And then draw this trend line, look for the breakout, look for confluence on the market cipher, trying to show you which direction price is going. Now you can see the money flow fell quite dramatically here. It's pushed up, but it's curving back to the downside. So we're very aware that a lot of things are bleeding as we speak, okay? Now this isn't supposed to spook you out. We're supposed to think, hey, if we get a good dump here, it's an opportunity to buy more, right? It's an opportunity to buy more. And by doing that and changing your mindset, you can really take the stress out of trading and the stress out of dollar cost averaging into things that you believe in, okay? We got Run DMC. We got Insane in the Membrane. We got Alex O. The Wiener says 12 big down. Support is so strong, says Rafael Cruz. Buy the dip. Tony Soprano's laughing at something. Got to get back to work, says Tradefly. Much love to you, Tradefly. But congrats, Alex. Genuinely stoked for you, bro, man. Thank you so much, Tradefly. God bless you. I hope we get $25 link. Yeah, I got a big bag of link. I mean, if we get up to $25 link, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy. 9 more likes, guys. What are we trying to get the likes up to? We need 100 likes to do the giveaway. Is that what we're doing here? I guess so, eh? Let's get those likes up to the watchers. We currently got 117 people here and 91 likes. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're going to go over Ethereum. Okay, I love Ethereum. I hold a big old bag of Ethereum, and we're looking for this to move to the upside. However, not looking good. Not looking good. Now, I am bullish AF on Ethereum. We have the D-Kun, D, whatever you want to call it, upgrade. Now, that's what these vertical lines are. I do believe we are going to have an ETH season. Okay, I'm very much on the ETH season kind of guy. Okay, I believe that the next thing is we're going to get this upgrade, cheaper gas fees. Then I believe that we're going to get the ETF rumors, just like we did for Bitcoin about ETH, and we are going to go to the moon, and I think my target is between $3,000 and $4,000 ETH. But for now, let's take a look at it because we want to catch this long, right? We got to Ash Ketchum this. So we got to get those smashes up for the viewers. We need 4 more likes, guys, and we're definitely going to be prepared for some goods here. I'm going to give away $100, 50 from me, 50 from Trader Geo. And if you're not following Trader Geo, man, what are you doing? What are you doing? Here he is. Much love. He's my neighbor, okay? He's my neighbor. Smash it for a chance at free money. That's the one. That's the one. So, going over to Ethereum again. Now you can see Ethereum got that big pump up, getting everybody excited about ETH. Optimism, Arbitrum came with it. Now it's gotten that big rejection, coming back, trying to work its way up, failing to do so. Okay, failing to do so. So when I look at the 12-hour here, the momentum waves, see, for me, this is garbage, right? This is like, come on, man. Like, you can do something better than this, right? It's very choppy, right? Very choppy, very much saying uncertainty. Whereas the daily, we're going back over the daily, we can see that money flow coming out, red. Okay, we see the green dot, red dot, uncertainty over the weekend. So we really want to have a better idea of which way and which direction it's going. We can't just say, oh, long here, because we're at key levels of support, right? So going over to the 12-hour, just seeing that choppiness, pump and dump, right? Scammy wiki, not something that I'm looking to trade, right? So initially, if I was coming to this, we'll get rid of these verticals. We'll hide these. And initially, if I'm looking at this as a trader, I'm pulling a fibs from the swing low to the swing high, right? And I can see we've bounced off this golden pocket. So this is going to be my area of interest that I mark out that I'm looking for longs, right? So by doing this, I'm looking for longs within this area. Just as a general note, right? So when price comes into this area, I'm looking for longs and I'm looking for a reaction in price, right? So by doing this, I'm giving myself a little bit of an edge, right? Then I know that there's key support here and there's volume down here, right? So how do I pull the volume for this range? So for me, I have my above 2K and my under 2K isn't working right now. Okay, that's fine. We can do this on the fly. So we pull this from here to here. And we can see we got a look at the volume within this range. Okay, so this is going to give us the reaction. Now, Market Cipher I typically use for the momentum and the money flow to the downside, which you can see we're currently falling out. But then I'll use volume profiles and fibs for key areas of interest where I'm looking for a reaction of price, where I can definitely look for an entry. And look at that, within this volume, it lines up perfectly with these two levels, right? So my first level is going to be here. I'll get rid of my fibs. And then my second level is going to be here, 22.15. So within this area, we're looking for that reaction of price where we're getting some sort of bull divs. And then I'm looking at the 12-minute / 15-minute where I'm looking for entries, right? But right now, this is that horrible, choppy past week of all news and all FUD and disgustingness. Horrible week, okay? Hard to trade. Now we're waiting for price to break out in each direction where we're looking for a possible opportunity on either a long or a short. But right now, ETH looks to be falling. You can draw your momentum wave to the downside like this. Look for that continuation to the downside where we keep falling. Key level of support, though, before we come down into this trigger area is definitely going to be around 22.73, okay? That has held a couple times. Let's see if it holds coming forward. Forget beatbox. I see Crypto Billy made like goal. Made like goal. Made like goal? God bless you, Billy, man. I don't care what you're saying, man. You can say whatever. Call me Alex O Cryptoe. And throw toes in the chat. Man, God bless you. Beatbox for the news. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right, that's all you're getting out of me. That's all you're getting out of me. Welcome, everybody, to the streams. Made over 100 likes. We got 106, man. God bless you guys, man. God bless you guys. Whew. So it's time. I'm just a person, beautiful, looking for a partner, beautiful. Slow it down for the old school. Simple dub, boom, 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 boom. When the night boom has come, boom, 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 and the lamps go boom, boom, and boom, boom, boom. It's only like we'll see, boom, 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 boom. Let's go. All right, that's it. That's it, man. We're doing the giveaway. Okay, so if you haven't, go over to this video. We're going to send you 50 USDT. Jonathan Schaefer, our Modder Otter, our beautiful, beautiful sheriff in the Discord. Don't mess with him. Is going to add $25 to the prize pool as well, man. Fuck crypto. Go make an album. Streamlabs caught you. Oh, man. Please refrain. So the Streamlabs bot, if you swear in the chat, he'll mute you. And it's kind of like we were going to get rid of it, but it's kind of funny that the Streamlabs bot rugs people in the chat. Sorry about that, Raphael, but that's the story about the Streamlabs bot. So go over to the video. And then we'll see. We're going to have to do a drum roll. I don't know. We need some music. Okay. You guys said Wu-Tang Clan. I don't know about, are we doing Wu-Tang Clan? What's the song? This is a subscriber party. We can't go Wu-Tang Clan. We got to party. We got to pump it up, man. We're going to go back to pump it up, man. Just keeping it simple. We'll go Wu-Tang. We'll go Wu-Tang again. But we're going to go pump it up. We've already demonetized this. We were playing Tupac and I wanted to show random names.
Power to undermine everything they're doing to people around the world. And I'm sorry for shouting, but it disgusts me what these people in
I clicked start.
And they do it through central banking and through the control of the money supply, and Bitcoin takes that away from them.
Okay, that's right. Countdown, random names. Let's go 30 seconds. Maybe it only goes for 30 seconds. Oh, Madonna. Why isn't it working? It's not working, guys. We're going to try again. The prize got rugged, guys. The prize got rugged, guys. I'm going to put it in the Discord.
Power to undermine everything they're doing to people.
All right.
I'm sorry for shouting, but it just disgusts
I'm going to make sure that you'll be getting paid from me. For sure. Welcome, Trash Panda. Welcome, Trash Panda. Otter Gang, man. Otter Gang. So we do have a winner, Trash Panda. Congratulations, my friend. Thank you, guys. My God. But yeah, hit us up. We'll be here. Welcome. That's all I got to say is kindness is everything. We love Market Cypher. We use Market Cypher, so we're always going to share that goods with you. We're very grateful to CryptoFace putting us on. It's been an honor and a privilege to serve you guys, to continue to work hard together to try and be profitable traders. We have a great group of people in in here, and we're only getting started. From the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you, and God bless you guys. It's not easy. Sometimes you don't want to make a video. Sometimes you feel like you have nothing to give. But we continue to show up for you guys. We continue to try our best, and that's what I've been taught, is that's all you can really do. So thank you guys so much. I will see you guys tomorrow, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. God bless you and have a great rest of your day.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.